Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play octaves on the piano easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to play octaves, it's really easy to do for the most part. Now, basically, what are octaves? Octaves are when you play two notes at a time, and it's the same note, but they're spaced an octave apart. So for instance, if I take this middle C right here, and I go to the next C an octave higher, over here, that together, those notes together, that's an octave, okay? So, C's like that, or I can go down one, like that. We can do D's, just like that. Now, obviously you're not going to be playing like this. Okay? You are going to be playing with one hand. The key to playing octaves is with one hand. Now, because the notes are far apart, you have to use your furthest fingers. Here's my hand. My furthest fingers are my thumb and my pinky, obviously. Okay? So I'm going to get my thumb out and I'm going to place my thumb on the lower note of the octave that I'm playing. So my middle C, my thumb is going right here. And I'm going to stretch and I'm going to get my pinky on the higher note of the octave that I'm playing. The upper C is right here. Now together. Now you notice my other three fingers are in the air. They're being held up, okay? Now obviously if you have bigger hands, it's going to be a little bit easier for you. I'm 5'7". My hands are not that big, plain and simple. So I can play octaves, but eventually my hand does feel like a stretch, right? It does feel a little bit, not painful, but a little bit uncomfortable. So the bigger your hands are, probably in my opinion, the easier it's going to be for you. Okay, very simple. And you just play those notes together. And you can do it also with both hands. I can play octaves on my right hand and my left hand. Very easy. It is literally that easy to play octaves. And yeah, I tried to keep this piano lesson short, sweet, and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro for this video tutorial. So without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.